Introduction to Accounting. What are expenses? When we talk about these heads of accounts, what does expenses mean? In this video, we will talk about the term expenses. So let's see how do we classify the expenses according to these heads. What does this term expenses mean? You are watching Commerce Lecture Online. Expenses are just opposite to incomes. Incomes are inflows of money in the organization. Expenses are outflows of the money from the business or organization. When we are taking the services from anyone and we are paying them against their services, and those services are necessary to conduct the business, to generate the revenue or profit, those particular expenses for which we are making payments will be termed as expenses for the business. Examples are salaries which we are paying to employee, rent which we are paying against the property or shop or place which we had hired, insurance which we are paying to the insurance company, transport which we are paying to the person who is giving us transport facilities. If we had taken a loan and we are paying over and above the original loan amount, which is called interest, that amount will also be termed as our expense. Those outflows of money from the business which are necessary to conduct the business, to go in the generation of revenue or earning profit, are termed as expenses. When we talk about main examples of expenses, these are the main examples which we see normally in every kind of accounting question. Purchases. Whenever we purchase merchandise, we call it purchases, and this expense is necessary for all the trading businesses. If we will not purchase merchandise, how could we generate revenue by selling it, or what action of business we will perform? We need to hire salesmen or employees. We pay salary to them. Hiring the employee is compulsory to carry on the business. Therefore, the salary which we are paying to them is also expense for the business. We take the shop or office premises on rent. If we will not take it, where will we conduct the business? That is why the rent which we are paying to conduct the business is also an expense for the business. If we are insuring our office or the goods, the insurance amount, the insurance premium amount which we are paying to the company is also considered as an expense for the business. If we take the advertisement facility by the social media, the TV media or the print media, we pay certain charges to them. Giving advertisement in the social media or things like that is necessary to conduct or carry on the business. Therefore, this particular amount paid for advertising benefit is also termed as an expense. Utility expenses like electricity bill expense, telephone expense, the services which we are taking to carry on the business, and the payments made for those benefits are termed as utility expenses. If we are paying tax of our property or income, this is also like a burden, a compulsion for us to carry on the business. Therefore, this tax will also be termed as our expense. Office supplies or sales supplies. If they are kept in your office unused, they will be your asset. But when they will be consumed by you, they are used up by you, they are ended, they had given you the benefit, their amount which has been consumed will be termed as expense by your organization. Beside these expenses, there are many more. So all those payments which are necessary to carry on the business are termed as expenses according to these main heads of accounts. Like, share, subscribe. Commerce Lecture on